Korean Beef Bulgogi Recipe. Korean beef bulgogi is a delicious and popular Korean dish made with marinated and grilled or stir-fried beef. Here's a breakdown of the recipe. Ingredients: 1. 4 pounds flank steak, or other meat options like skirt steak, ribeye, sirloin, or brisket. 2. 2/3 cup soy sauce. 3. 1/2 cup brown sugar, firmly packed. 4. 2 medium Asian pears, finely grated, optional. 5. 4 tablespoons sesame seeds. 6. 2 tablespoons sesame oil. 7. 6 cloves garlic, minced or crushed. 8. 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. 9. 1 teaspoon ground ginger. 10. 4 teaspoons oyster sauce. 11. 1 cup sliced green onions. Instructions: 1. Cut the flank steak against the grain into thin strips and place them in a small mixing bowl. 2. In the small mixing bowl, combine soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame seeds, sesame oil, garlic, crushed red pepper flakes, ginger, and oyster sauce. 3. Mix the meat strips with the marinade until well coated. 3. Let the meat marinate for 1 hour in the refrigerator. 4. After marinating, heat a large heavy skillet or wok over high heat. 4. Add in the marinated meat and cook on high until the meat is cooked through. 4. This should take less than 5 minutes. 5. Serve the bulgogi hot by itself or over rice and top with sliced green onions. Notes: 1. Instead of flank steak, you can use other meat options like skirt steak, ribeye, sirloin, or brisket. 1. Even ground beef can be used as a more budget-friendly alternative. 2. If using ground beef, cook it first, drain any excess fat, and then add the marinade as a sauce to flavor the ground beef. 3. Asian pear is a traditional ingredient in bulgogi, but you can omit it if you don't have one, have an allergy, or if they are out of season. Nutrition, per serving. 1. Calories, 434 kcal. 2. Carbohydrates, 16 grams. 3. Protein, 51 grams. 4. Fat, 16 grams. 5. Saturated fat, 5 grams. 6. Cholesterol, 136 milligrams. 7. Sodium, 1,290 milligrams. 8. Potassium, 860 milligrams. 9. Sugar, 13 grams. 10. Vitamin A, 75 IU. 11. Vitamin C, 0.7 milligrams. 12. Calcium, 106 milligrams. 13. Iron, 4.7 milligrams. Cuisine, Korean course, main dish keyword, bulgogi. Bulgogi is a delightful dish that offers a balance of sweet, savory, and slightly spicy flavors. It's often enjoyed with rice and sometimes wrapped in lettuce leaves or served with other Korean side dishes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.